my people, how una day this beautiful morning. This I always tell say make una jollificate anyway. Now you're on top your number one program. RCB now maybe your one and only girl, Amikebu, and this na your favorite station, the Media House. And today I want to talk one very important topic when you say it affects everybody. The thing no good at all. The thing just today common for Nigeria. You understand? Now what they call jungle justice. The thing too common, and trust me, it's not good at all. And please, we want make you join us for this conversation. You feel join us upon our Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube page at the Media House NG, and on top our Facebook page, the Media House. And you feel visit our website www.themediahouseng.com. Like I told you before, now the jungle justice we won't discuss today. No go anywhere. Sit down, Gidigba, wait for me as they come back. Welcome back. Now the jungle justice we won't talk about. Now wetin be jungle justice? You know, for law court they talk say person not dey guilty until they don't talk and say court don decide and say with proof and evidence say this person dey guilty of this crime. So you know if you just go hold person say hey you be thief, come here, you go die on your own. Waiting, you be lawyer, waiting, you know you no good at all. So you not get right to take go kill anybody or come pass at your own judgment until law court don tell you say you must arrest, or the law court come talk say okay this person dey guilty of this crime, either they kill the person by hanging or by life jail or life imprisonment. You as an individual, as a civilian, ordinary civilian like me, bloody civilian according to our military person, they come go arrest person, carry tire, put for their neck, but you know good. That kind of thing na jungle justice. You just see person, somebody come shout thief, oh thief, you begin run follow them. For you, I don't know where they bring those tires they come out from. Next you don't see tire don't come out, fuel don't come out, matches don't come out, they don't bomb person. See if you do that kind of thing, you wicked. Kai, I no go forget one day on Sunday, beautiful Sunday morning. You know, I just come out as good sister when I be. I just come back from church. Once make I go visit my brother in the Lord, my sister. As I dey go for road, waiting I see my mat no fit judge am. As in, that na the first time when I dey see where dem born human be life. I see as in I no fit eat that day. I no fit sleep. People wey dey do am, we on our conscience dey. Now you when you say you just carry person, sit tire, put on for the they kill and where your conscience dey, you wicked. As I know you understand. Sometimes these people they be innocent people. They don't do the thing. The crime when you say they accuse them say then do. You understand that kind of thing? The thing don't just dey too much. And at the end of the day, you come find out say these people where they kill say then they innocent. Yeah, I know say most of them they deserve them. I know say most of them they really, some of us don't really pass through bad thing from the hands of all these people, but that no mean say you can't kill, you no give life. Why you can't take the life? You have no right, and I repeat that. You not get any right to take collect life when you be say you not give. Not be you bring the life, you not be police, you not be soldier, you not be lawyer. Wait till go beyond for inside the matter. I will go back small break, and when we come back, we will look some of the reasons why we say people they do jungle justice. Not go anywhere. Welcome back. Now still your number one program as be. Now today we say we talk about jungle justice. One still common reason why we say people they do this thing. One of them are poverty. You know they say poverty is of the mind. Today for Nigeria, once you reach now ritualist. If you get money, say oh, you can't get money, get motor, get fine house, you be ritualist. Nigerians don't believe in hard work again, and the thing they pain my heart when I hear this kind of talk. You know, you go see person say don't leave them and so them be now ritualists, they don't do juju, then you go do your own life easy. Me, I don't believe in those things. I don't believe say ritualism. And the next thing you go hear that just look for way to burn. Like the one when it happened for Ikorodu a few days back. What thing the boy do? Say young man, you know, fine guy when he be wear suits, in a MC9B, he dey come back from where go work as MC for nightclub. Now motor spoil. Guy man go say okay, make I come and push my motor go one corner. Tomorrow morning, I go know what I go do to now. So more waka come out from nowhere. He and two of his friends then burn them into ashes. Burn them rich ground. At the end of the day, what happen? They come find out say these people no be bad people. Nah, normal human be like me and you where they hustle. The boy go do your own personal hustling thing. But the boy don't die, you don't die. Wait because jungle justice. As me that arrest that boy, na carry am go police station. They go do investigation. They come find out say no be bad person, no be thief. He get handwork. He cannot die. Now you don't die. I bet it's in a bad, in a poverty, because the people as we say some of us they check when I get Legacy Benz. When you say you even fast pass Mercedes Benz. You understand that kind of thing? So if you see person if say they can your body go dey pepper you, go dey bite you, go say na ritualist, na juju people, na hey wait. If you pay you well, go do. Like I talked before, that thing not the work. I don't even believe in ritual money. I don't know how the thing take the work. So please, I beg now poverty. More will try remove this poverty mentality from our head. Say anybody will make up. Now juju. Another one be say, yes, this one no go blame the people. You know, our police and judicial system don't fuck up big time. They're not a try at all. You know, you will carry person go police. Or go on the top will call. Release that young man for me. The next thing we get say the man don't work out for street free. And this is a person who is really criminal. I been our judicial system on top bribe matter, not good deal. Like you have to call lawyer, go and carry and go on corner. Put small pepper for your hand. Once pepper rest, they talk and say pepper rest back for ground. Don't forget that night. You know, you just say they go just turn the case upside down, especially when the person get money. So the youths now, the people, the masses that they provoke, their blood is hot. So because say police don't fear them, government don't fear them, so they won't come take laws into their hand. My brother, my sister, that will not be enough at all for you to carry law into your hand. Say you won't go do justice. You won't keep person. You won't carry a judgment on person when be say it be like you. It don't make sense at all. It not good. Make we stop them. Yes, I know some police they fuck up. Our judicial system that one their own it don't budget. But even at that, you not get right like I always talk. You not get right to take life when it be say you not give. You fit create life. I don't say they know the try, but at least make we avoid that. When you catch thief, I beg, carry am go police station. No kill because waiting. Most times these people they innocent. I'll hear from them. Like the one when I tell you about the Korodu guy, they don't kill him, he don't die. But they can find and say the guy is that person, not the criminal as they think say him be. Another one when he be say they call jungle justice now wickedness. You know that kind of some of us get unforgiving spirits. You know, maybe one night to the worker they can't thief your laptop or they thief your phone or the thief wants your pickpocket and say, hey, me too, it don't happen to me, daddy. You know, and they come back and they go ask from school inside bus. When they take back my 1,000, I no. Thank God say I know the place, I know Onitsha. You know Onitsha very well, very good. So I just scatter the money for my bag. Anytime I go ask, so I go school, I scatter my money inside bag because I know say those boys, those fine boys. I don't know what to do when I just now. So I don't take see my 1,000. Thank God say I scatter money. Now so I take waka daily rich house. Yes, that kind of thing they pay. Now some of us we don't experience this kind of thing. So when we dey waka from Okoye, ole tifo, we don't want to know. Oh yeah, before no, we don't root tire, root matches, root foot. We don't begin the bond. How you they feel when you dey bond that person? How you dey feel? The one wey dey pay pass na small children. You get when I hear one time for this Lagos say 7-year-old boy wey go thief garri, see they born now to that cheese. Kai, I cry. The thing pay me enter my blood. Make I give una one small story. You say me I be storyteller. I get this woman one morning she go back Akara. You know she see one small boy the Akara woman tie against pole. She go say, madam, what happen? Why you tie this small boy? The madam say, no, leave this boy. Once I fry my Akara finish today, and me and this boy, I go pour this hot oil for this boy body. I do one waka go meet the boy. Come this boy say, Smally, what make you thief the Akara? The boy say he hungry. Say he never chop. Kai the woman say tears come out for her. She can't remember when she young. Her parents they abandoned them. Come they stay with uncle. You know that kind of uncle. Now food not dey house, nothing. So she and her younger ones they just did they cry. So the thing touch her. He get one rich man where they dey aside when we say the man get mango tree for him compound. And so she enter the compound. Come go thief mango. As they come down, dog don't dey there. See the dog, see the lady. Now so the lady begin run, dog begin pursue am. She come for enter dish. Wetin we dey call gutter. Now inside the gutter she dey for enter. As she the dog come back, go back. As she say make she stand up, my brother. A snake. Now she see for them. To the glory of God. Now so the snake just crawl, go. Now so she run go give her younger ones mango. Let's assume now say that dog catch that woman or no be God now help and say the snake not kill. Waiting for happen, she for die. Today she's successful. She has her own cash, she has her own company. This one her life. You see small pikin they kill her. If no now hunger, you not thief money, but now food you go thief. You get mind. Put tire for the pikin body born am and you say you be human being. You say you get conscience. How much be garri? One cup of garri. You see that kind of pikin thief, why you no call and ask am question say pikin why you thief? If na to give am food, give am. Some of them dey stay with aunty and uncle and be say dey over nice. You understand wetin I dey talk? Over nice dey worry them well well. So when you know no be everybody you just see, you just dey try find out, ask question. Abeg, I know say our judicial system dey fuck up, I know say our police dey fuck up. Abeg, make we say no to jungle justice. E no make sense at all, e no dey help. And na so we take discuss am today on top jungle justice. No forget to join us on our Facebook page, The Media House, and on top our Twitter, Instagram, at YouTube at The Media House NG, and on top our website www.themediahouse.com.ng. Till I come your way again next time. My name na Miki.